Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting yourself and the workpiece. Put on gloves and eye protection and make sure the area is ventilated. Apply penetrating oil to the screw head and around the thread. Let it soak for 10 to 15 minutes so it migrates into corrosion. While you wait, select the correct driver or a 6-point socket sized to the screw, then seat it firmly. Once the oil has soaked and the bit is seated, tap the driver lightly with a hammer to break oxidation and improve grip. Now you move into tougher territory when the screw resists. Start with vibration. Use an impact driver or short, controlled hammer taps to jar the corrosion loose while turning counterclockwise. If that fails, apply heat for 30-60 seconds to expand surrounding metal, or use cold to contract the screw. Both change tolerances and can free threads. For a rounded head, press a rubber strip for grip, or switch to a screw extractor, or carefully drill a small slot. You finish by turning the screw out slowly, maintaining steady torque and steady pressure. If it binds, stop and reapply penetrating oil, then retry. Once removed, clean the hole and screw threads with a wire brush and solvent, then coat with anti-seize or rust inhibitor to prevent recurrence. If the screw remains seized despite all attempts, drill a centered pilot hole and use a tapered extractor, but make sure you preserve the surrounding material. Otherwise, consider replacing the fastener and retapping the hole if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.